My name is Randy Simmons. I'm a Senior AE at GoEngineer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the units of measure in 3DPlay. Out of the box, the default unit of measurement in 3DPlay is set to millimeters. You can change this to inches or anything else you'd like, but the setting is a bit hard to find. Rather than trying to find a settings or preferences menu in the 3DPlay app, over the last several functional delivery updates to the platform, they have been consolidating settings like this for many of the apps to one location. You can access this global preferences menu by selecting your picture or avatar in the upper right corner of your dashboard and choosing Preferences. Then select 3D Annotation Insight from the list on the left and scroll down to the Units section. Click on the unit for the magnitude type you would like to change and select the new unit from the drop-down menu, as well as setting the number of decimal places you would like displayed. From now on, all of your measurements in 3DPlay will be in that unit. Super easy when you know where to find it. More on this menu and some of the other measurement settings you might like to change are coming up in a future video.